What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Sorkar jala kala kular ban buddien ting khnang ban penyo no ya ka jingman jor na ka Sorkar pedeng ya ka 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill ka badai ka senjam ka bakong san ban pyntreikam pura ya ka agreed tax for settlement balaya soy ha pedeng ke sengking atyar narilum garo ki bala penduk pendam ka achik National Volunteers Council ANVC bat ka ANVC-B house nam arjar khat sound. Kani ka amendment ni jingpen kala katmu ban penyo jingara pisa shu ka bortre kamat bor senshar shaki autonomous council jongki riulum hapo ka 6th schedule ka riti senshar kari ya kani ka jingkular la pentip ha ka jingalang bala khot plong dau sembut menteri rangba ka jela ubak khmi ya tanat po yeng police ubak preston tensong ha ka arpun rio trik nailur ha kani ka jingalang layadan lang chief secretary ka jela ubak DP Walang ka DGP ai nongrang ki he officer bat ki khot jong ka ANVC bat ANVC-B habakran shakilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingalang ubak preston ulaong bakumba sanpa wadu 100% jong ka jingate kular balakmi lenti lala ban pen urlong katkum ka jingong ka jong ka jing pyntreikam ya ka jingate kular kala sakut no namar ka jingdan kam menwanra ya ka jingpen kala lingba ka 125th amendment jong ka riti senshar kari ka bamenta kala dan hakalenti ban yo ya ka jingmanjur hapo ka parliament kani ka syong ha ka Sorkar India bat ha ka parliament namar kila dapan ra hapo Rajya Sabha bat ka Rajya Sabha kala pha sya ka parliamentary standing committee PSC bat dangshan ka PSC kala ay ka jingbetha sya ka MHA kumta kala sakut hangni kumta ngin sa buddien ting khnang baya kan ka amendment on menjurno da ka parliament ulaong haba benram ni yakan do jing ban pyntreikam pura yakan ka jingate kular namar kidan kattu kan ki benta jongkiman namar hadu banda menjur ya ka amendment namar kadan ka jingating khu bat ka riti senshar khadar jongkari kani kalong ru namar bakidan ki mat ki badan kam ban penkan ria syaki ADC bat yakani kadan kam ban wanra ka jingpen kala hapo ka parliament ubak preston ula penbenar ru ya kara jong Sorkar bantung ya nodal officer bapura bandon ya ka jingatri lang hapeng ka Sorkar ANVC bat ANVC-B bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ban penya syakmat ya ka jingtrekam ya ka jingate kular nodal officer unshim ya ka benta ka bakongsan ban penthikna baya ka jingate kular de ban pyntreikam thikna de kindon pakendon bat dakimat pakiman bat banyak ndo man la kapor bat kidikha jok ANVC bat ANVC-B hatura ula pentip ru baha ka jingalang kilay kran halor ki mat bapher ki baya dei ba ki project kampen roy kunthop ka jingsna ki surang ka jingpene pensa ki khlaw ki batam ki senjam baya dei bat ka culture kum ki auditorium library bat ki cultural center ki dikhat ka ANVC bat ka ANVC-B watla katai kiladan ki benta ki bakim pat sngohun henrei ha ka jingalang ngila ra bangin bishar benya bha bat on pet bagi tu ki mat ki balak dau ha ka jingate kular dei ban pyntreikam thikna da ka Sorkar jela ong ubak preston haba pentip baka pisa bala pyntreikam ya ka Garo accord kan wan khendiat na ka Sorkar pedeng bat khendiat na ka Sorkar jela Usembut menteri rangba ula kamru baka Sorkar ka daban siu penkhut ya ka surrender package ne ka song jingarap pisa syapalat sanspa ngut kidkhot ka ANVC bat ANVC-B hakaba way pa way udkhot uyo kumba iway point san paulak bat ya ka stipend ka ba manla ubnai ka balong lai hajar sanspa tingka nakabenta Henry ubnai katkum ka jingong ka jongu kam shumla dan satya ka no ko jingthmu ban penki imbyang yakni kinhun king atyar hapo rilum Garo katkum ka agreed tax agreement hadu kumba khandai pesan palat ne duna ka debait halor ki kam penroy daki kam penroy ngangai scam bakani ka rukam perkhan kanam dan shu ong uba preston nalor kata usembut menteri rangba ka jela ula ong baka Sorkar kala pentikna ban sa pelong manla kapor ka jingalang ban khmi bania e ka jingya shakmat ki kam ki jam bat ban shim khya ki man ki barang sa teng.
I would like to inform to all of you that today the government has again called a meeting with all the members from ANVC and ANVC-B, along with all the senior officers, right from the Honorable Chief Secretary, DGP, and the senior officers of different departments. And the meeting today is relating to the tax settlement signed between the ANVC, state government, as well as central government way back in 2014. So we discussed clause by clause, line by line, of those issues flagged off in the text agreement. And mostly, I would say, mostly the agreement made was already made or already completed. But of course, some of them which is on the way, which is yet to reach up to the full text of the agreement, and some of them we cannot take any decision unless the 125th amendment in the Constitution of India is passed by the Parliament, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So those issues we could not discuss much. But all small issues, as I said to you, be it the packages provided to the surrenderies, to the members of the ANVC and ANVC-B, that has been also completed. And now, briefly, I would like to just tell you that few issues like the subject of developmental activities, like construction of road, and then improvement and preservation of forest, and even in arts and culture department we have so many projects in the form of auditorium, in the form of library, in the form of cultural centers. We have discussed all these issues, and as I said to you, at least not less than 50 to 60% of this aspiration of this very text is already met. Even the members of the NVC and ANCB, still of course few areas they are still not satisfied, but in the meeting today we have decided that we will closely monitor, we will closely see that those subjects signed and mentioned in the tax settlement has to be fully complied by the state government. That's a lot about the district council thing, because see again, the settlement, the tax agreement says that yes, government should further strengthen the district council, and this council should again have more responsibility in preserving the tribal people, the Garo people, and then the the residents of Garo Hills in general, and not only that, even the functions of this council should be further strengthened. These are the issues. That's what it links to the amendment of the Constitution. So a number of these issues, once the amendment is made, then only we will be able to further proceed forward in meeting all those aspirations as per the reflected settlement. Very long process. So I already told them also, then we agreed that at least quarterly we will have this meeting. if need be. We will have maybe quarterly if need be, because now let us wait and let us see first, because we never appointed a specific nodal officer, but this time I told you we are going to appoint, to engage one nodal officer to deal with this text agreement point by point and then clause by clause, and what are the issues, whether it is with the department A or B or C, or whether it is with this council, all those issues will be taken care of by the nodal officer, who will meet the members regularly. Yes, of course. That's what I'm saying. They are so happy. The meeting we had today, it's very constructive, and for that you can also ask them. They will tell you exactly what was the meeting when.
But what was the reason for the delay in meeting them?
Sorry.
What was
No, you see, because there are three levels meeting. First is the level from the Government of India, MHE, headed by the Joint Secretary. And then number two is state government, and then the state government always headed by Chief Minister. And next is, third is District Council meeting again. From the District Council it comes to the state, and from the state it goes to the Ministry of Home Affairs. So we have three layers meeting. So you understand, sometimes it gets delayed, maybe from the ministry itself, from the central government itself, because it depends on the convenience of the joint secretary or the officers authorized by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So that's why, way back in 2021, I think the last meeting had was 2021 with the joint secretary of the Government of India. No such regrouping. As far as packages is concerned, we have already complied and we have already cleared whatever entitlement.
Who is the not?
That's what I'm saying. We are going to notify. Then you will know. Ongoing process. I think out of 100, if I'm not mistaken, 122 or 23, I think it's about around 60 to 62 numbers has been cleared, and then there is, as you know, because the court takes its own course of action, so the rest will also be cleared in due course of time. I don't have, because the detail was already flagged off, I think long time back, you knew it. So each, in fact, each member, they're supposed to get 1,50,000 that time, okay? 1,50,000, and that has been done. That has been cleared. Again, for 6 months, they need to get each of them 3,500. That also has been cleared. Well, because see, I think the tax agreement is more or less 95% is development. Okay, it is development. So with development, I am very sure, this kind of thinking will no longer be there. Altogether, ANVC and ANVC-B is about 500 something. Like I think you must be having those numbers. It's certainly to me it's the same one only, because this is only the meeting. So the detail, the numbers was already there at that point of time. So that numbers, does not increase. The same numbers only. Some of them may have passed away. Yeah, of course. Package. No, development package is with the state. Yes. Partly it will come from the central government, and then partly will be from state fund only. We have hurdle because until unless the amendment is passed, because it links to the Constitution of India. See, like the subject. If you talk about the subject, means amendment has to be there. These are the subject. In addition to whatever sixth schedule is being followed. Again, we need additional subject for this council. So therefore, this has to be amended in the parliament. As I said to you, the members of the NBC, now they requested the government to have one dedicated nodal officer, because see, all the way they have to come down to Shillong. Even if you have so many meetings, it seems it's difficult for them to make things easier, to make things simpler in achieving this agreement, this tax agreement. So we have decided from the government side that we will appoint one dedicated officer in the name of nodal officer, who will coordinate between the members of the ANVC and the state government, and also with the different department, be it with the district council or be it with the different department located in Garo Hills. This will be taken care of by the nodal officer, and they are so happy because this decision has been taken, and we are going to notify one nodal officer under the supervision of the commissioner, development commissioner in the state of Meghalaya.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.